Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. So, gone are the days of the dragging files into app data folders. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the standalone application download in Modpack, and this is important, how to fix the #1 cause of crashes run allocation for your Minecraft games. So, to download this standalone application, you want to head to the official download page, which is by opening a new tab. I'm going to go into the upper side. I'm going to type to the word CurseForge.com. And if you go for // I'm going to be typing download / application. There we go. So head here into this website. I highly recommend this standalone version, which is this one. It doesn't require Overwolf to be running into the background, making this much more faster. So this is totally optional. Then you wanted to run the actual installer, which appears into the upper right corner. If you don't see this, you can go directly here into your files explorer, go into downloads, and it should be appearing directly inside here. I'm going to close this, and here is my CurseForge window installer. I'm going to focus for English, hit for next, and you wanted to click through the setup, accept terms, and just let it finish. Once you finish with all of these elements, when you first open the application, this might open the application. It will ask which game you wanted to manage, and this is the part which you wanted to use Minecraft, and it will be automatically find your game files. Now, if you don't know how to install your Minecraft into your computer, we have an actual free tutorial that you can check it out directly into the YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave you that video into the description so you can check it out, how to download and install Minecraft into your PC or into your Mac computer. Then here I'm going to go wait a few seconds to see what happens after the installation management. Let's go to, if you wanted to, of course, you can continue as guest. In my case, I'm going to do it because I don't have an actual account. But here, this is the actual great section of the CurseForge. This is like the fun part because you can filter by tech, you can go by exploration, or you can go by the actual hardcore. Now, when you find an actual pack you like, you wanted to just hit into the one that you wanted to install. Let's say, for example, continue, launch with Microsoft account. You can go for add an actual game. Here it is. And the CurseForge will now download the specific Minecraft version, the mod loaded, you might be saying, like the Forge or the Fabric, and every single mod for you. So depending on the internet, for example, this usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes to download nowadays. Now, to fix the actual RAM, which is much more important to get along, and I'm not going to do this at the moment because we already have done that. So I'm going to go back. Let's go for my home dashboard. Now, if you just hit play now, your game will likely crash because modpacks are memory hungry. So for this, you wanted to focus for your settings that usually appears into the left corner of the CurseForge, which is into down here to the left section. Nowadays, I wanted to focus for the option that goes into the bottom left in Minecraft, scroll down to allocate the actual memory. So which is this one. You go for advanced, and you want to allocate the actual memory. By default, it's often too low for Modpacks. You want at least 8 GB. If your PC has 16 of total RAM, this is the sweet spot. So I'm going to go for continue, and you're actually good to go. Now, launching and logged in. This will open a special version of the Minecraft launcher. You will need to sign in once for security, so don't worry because this is the official Microsoft login portal. If you hit for play, for example, one more time, the first launch takes a bit longer and it builds the registry of all those new blocks and items. So basically the actual modding is actually getting ready for, in this case, the actual Minecraft. So as you can see, here it is now. My mods, you can create a mod pack or browse some mod packs that are available now directly here into the CurseForge. So there we go. So I just needed to check out the After Nooks. As you can see here, tons of elements that you can try it out. Hit into the option that says install, and you're actually good to go. So basically, guys, this is how I actually get started with these mod elements. So if you want to create your own custom mod pack from scratch, you can watch more videos about this into the link in the description on how to use the CurseForge profile creator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, to this channel. And hopefully, with all this being said, we can see you next time.